Hey dolls, welcome back to That Girl Jalen channel. You guys, by the title of the video, you guys know what I am about to do today. I am about to basically be doing a curling hair tutorial. Callie, what are you doing? She is bad. That is my dog. She's crazy. Everybody say, hey Callie. Callie's crazy. Callie be all up on me. She's like a security guard. But anyways, I don't want to get off topic because I am easily distracted. But I am basically going to be doing a curling my extension tutorial. You guys, so it's really actually late at night. It's like 11 o'clock and I am bored. So I am just going to be filming some videos for y'all. I got this new straightener and I curled my hair with it before. It is very good. It is the Baby Bliss Pro Titanium. I think that's how you say it. Titanium straightener. So I curled my hair with this and actually it works better than my curling iron, my wand. So I'm going to be using this and I have like a few products over here I'm going to be talking to you guys about along the way. And y'all might see Callie running back and forth behind the video because she's bored and she likes to be up under me. If I shut her out the door, she will be crying. So I'm not trying to have all that in my video, even though she probably might bark, but just ignore it. I apologize to you guys in advance. But let's get started. So it's straight right now, and as you guys know, this is not my real hair. Well, I'm gonna say it's my real hair because I paid for it. So, and I paid a lot for it because I got tired of doing my real hair, like waking up every day trying to just maintain it. It did not work out good for me. So I am just going to basically, because I can curl this, straighten it, get it wet, whatever I want to do. So I'm going to first start by parting my hair to how I want to part it.
Dear diary, I'm feeling lost again, thinking of way back when. Every night I'd sit down to write. Dear diary, no longer an ink affair. My fingers now glide through air. Your pages compressed to a phone by my chest. Type, delete, I just repeat, waiting for answers to light up my screen. Type, delete, I just.
Y'all see these muscles? Your girl been in the gym. You heard me? And then I'm gonna just double brush this to make sure all the, you know, things out. I might switch positions throughout the video because I want you guys to see the full, you know. But I'm gonna start with the front right now. We're gonna take this piece and we're gonna put the rest in the clip. Comb it, and I use this. I have this type of comb right here. And then I use this Styling Solutions. It's from Ion. It's heat protecting soothing spray, smoothing spray. This works really good. So I'm gonna, you know, spray a couple squirts, and then we gonna get to work. This thing gets so hot, but it works so freaking good. Ouch. And then what I usually do is I'll take these pins, these slide-on pins right here. This is what it looks like. These are the small ones. I got small and long ones. This is what it looks like. And I take the curl, and I put my thumb up in it. Does that sound right? Thumb up in it. Okay, so I basically like just try to hold it together so it stays on until I finish throughout the hair. And I pin it like that. And we're gonna start on to the next one. I'm super excited, y'all, because I like using this straightener. It works magnificent. I don't know. Fill in a blank for me, because I don't know what I'm saying.
Data to glory, up in the cloud they are saving my story. Paper to data and data to glory, adding the lines to my digital diary. Paper to data and data to glory, up in the cloud they are saving my story. Paper to data and data to glory, adding the lines to my digital diary. Dear diary, nights used to be for you, secrets only for you. Then years came in
Alright, y'all, so
in my hand.
I feel like I should be sponsored by them because I use this product every single day. I will not let it go. Like, I honestly got this straightener from cosmetology school, and I thought no straightener was better than that one. And I had to say, baby, I lied, because this straightener is bomb. It is killing the game. It gets every little piece together. Like, no lie, y'all. I'm not even hyping it. So if y'all get a chance, y'all should definitely go buy this straightener. It's about like $60, $64 to be exact. That piece is a little too big, but it's like $60 exact. Ouch, ouch, ouch. And it's very worth it. I mean, like, seriously, it's super worth it. It gets the job done. Right now I'm trying to see how, you know, get it done while giving you guys attention. But I will. I wanna, you know, get every little piece. I'm not trying to get too big of pieces because I want it to get it all curly. I really like beach curls, like not too tight. That's why I like comb them out after.
No longer an ink affair. My fingers now glide through air. Your pages compressed to a phone by my chest. Type, delete, I just repeat. Waiting for answers to light up my screen. Type, delete, I just repeat.
Y'all see that curl? Now I'll just like pick it up and then put it in a pen and let it sit. I have these long ones too. So what I'll do is I will take it from the bottom where my thumb is, and I will like just clamp it onto all the hair and pull it up to make it stay. So yes, let me show y'all some magic.
Secrets only. Then years came in grand, a phone in my hand. I feel so weary, but mirrors say you're a chat. So many hurricanes swirling inside my mind. I need some help, so I'm reaching out through my phone, only to realize we're all lost and alone. Delete, I just
And usually what I would do, is I have this spritz right here. It's the extra hold, and I just like, you know, spray where the curls are, so while they're pinned up, they can stay up. So when I take them down, they're like really tight and they're ready to get curled, like combed out or finger waved out. And then I'll like, you know, spray it again so it lasts all day. But your girl ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm just, you know, doing a video for you guys. So I'm gonna take this, and then you just want to bring it back because you want your curls to go all one way, and then you want to bring it down and just keep winding it. So basically you would do like this around the wand, but no, you're just doing this around the straightener, you know. Y'all, so I can't wait till my beauty room is finished. I have to order the sofa, but I have to like do some measurements. So hopefully it'll be done by, let's see, it'll be done by February 1st. I still have to get like a chandelier, a rug, and a sofa, and then I'm gonna get like some model pictures, like some Vogue pictures. They're gonna be really cute. And then I have to hang up one more shelf for my heels. So it will be done by February 1st. I actually can't wait because I normally shouldn't take this long, especially when it comes to like beauty. I don't take that long, but you know, things happen. Your girl gets sidetracked easy, so I just have to like, you know, work on it. I hate when I curl my hair and then one part like gets stuck in the way, like one straight part gets in the way of the curly part, and then you have to find the curly part when it's all the way in the back of your head. That's the worst thing, straightening the back of your hair. I hate it. Like, or no, not even straightening. Straightening is easy, but curling the back is so hard because you can't see back there. People be like, oh, I got eyes in the back of my head. No, you don't, because you're lying, because the back of your head would be curly. Alright, you guys, so I'm done with this side. I am going to start on this side, and I'm gonna do like a time lapse. I'm gonna just play a little, you know, sound, and just watch me finish curling my hair and see the after results. I hope you guys are doing it with me too. So if you have this straightener, or if you have a wand, or if you know how to curl your hair with a straightener, you guys better be following along.
Dear diary, I'm feeling lost again, thinking of way back when. Every night I'd sit down to write. Dear diary, no longer an ink affair. My fingers now glide through air. Your pages compressed to a phone by my chest. Type, delete, I just repeat, waiting for answers to light up my screen. Type, delete, I just repeat, type, delete, delete. Paper to data and data to glory. Up in the cloud they are saving my story. Paper to data and data to glory. Adding the lines to my digital diary. Paper to data and data to glory. Up in the cloud they are saving my story. Paper to data and data to glory. Adding the lines to my digital diary. Dear diary, my nights used to be for you. Secrets only we knew. Then years came in grand, put a phone
Alright you guys, so now I am done with my curling my hair, and what I normally do is I'll have like a part right here if I'm doing like a middle part or a side part, and I will use this Silk Elements Mega Silk Extra Strength Edge Gel. Ooh, that was a lot. With olive oil and shea butter, and then I'll like use this, put it on the middle of the part just so the middle of the part is laid down. I'll take this little rat tail and I will like put some on the edge, and then just get, you know, the middle, hook my middle up, and then I will just like comb my edges down to make sure they're laid and slayed. And then I'll take some of the Pump It Up Extra Hold, put it on my finger. I'll rub my fingers together and I'll like lay the middle down just so it's like flat down. So my curls been up for a while now, so I can just like actually take them out and you guys can see like the after. Ooh, it's bouncy.
Paper to data and data to glory. Up in the cloud they are saving my story. Paper to data and data to glory. Adding the lines to my digital diary. Paper to data and data to glory. Up in the cloud they are saving my story. Paper to data and data to glory.
You see they're like really tight curls, but I don't want them this tight. I don't want it to be like really tight, like a childish look. So I just want to like make them beachy. So I just take my fingers and I just, I still got pins in. Oops. You can take like a wide tooth comb and use it that way, or you could just take your fingers and comb straight through them. You see the curls are getting loose. They're really cute. Oh my god, they're so cute! What the heck? I think this is like the best job I've done so far. Oh my god, they're cute. I always just like the beginning, like the swoop that just be like. This is cute. Let's see, let's take a thumbnail. Alright you guys, so yes, that is the ending of the look. If you guys want an extra hold, spray some more on here. I'm not going to spray too much because I actually have to wash my hair tonight, so I'm not going to like, you know, just put product in it and I'm just going to wash it out. That would be a waste. But if you guys enjoyed this video, I am going to wrap it up. I hope you guys learned some tips and tricks from me. And if you guys don't have this straightener, I highly suggest you guys go buy this straightener. This video is not sponsored, but it is actually really, really good. You know, you have to give credit when it's due. I love this straightener. It's really, really good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, I'll see you guys then. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. We're on the road to 200K. Can't wait to get there. I love you guys, and until next time, peace. Bye.